Okay, here's a quick fix on how to fix a stuck zipper. Now the zipper can get stuck when one tooth becomes more abrupt than the other one and isn't in an even row, and as a result the zipper gets stuck there. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. So I already did it, but I'm going to show you how to do it. What you can do is you can take pliers and clamp down over the abrupt tooth or the spacing that's between the teeth that's preventing the zipper from going over the teeth. Clamp down hard on that area, like so. Try to get it as even in a row as possible. You can get it from this angle as well if you have a few teeth that are abrupt and uneven. And just apply pressure right there. And there you go, that is how to fix it. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.